Just back, empty, nothing inside, right? Okay. Selena, I need your help. Can I have your hand? Yeah, thank you so much. You can keep this back. Yeah. You can keep in there. Yes. Don't move. Okay. Matching. Perfect. The cube is solved. Make sense? It's solved. Does it make sense?
Yeah, because you put the solved one in there.
It was already solved. Yes, it's okay. Okay. You can take the cube. Magic happens. It was solved. Now it's solved. Oh, this is my solution. You know why? I use 2 cubes today. I want to do this trick. Okay? Please compare with
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
No way.
say one side of these 2 cubes are matching colors, not just one side. Very simple. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Every sides are matching